Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is one of my favorite hotels in Vegas, and I've stayed here multiple times. So today's video is a compilation of my recent stays. We'll start with the lobby and common areas of the hotel before taking you upstairs. Ka is the resident show at the MGM. I have seen this and I do recommend it. It's pretty wild. Up until the end when the Cirque du Soleil stuff takes over. David Copperfield is also in residence at the MGM. I have not experienced David Copperfield. I kind of find him to be a tool. You can also stop by and see comedy at Brad Garrett's Comedy Store. I also recommend that. I've done that multiple times. If you like what I do, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that reminder bell. That way you'll be notified when I post future videos. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. But enough of that. Let's get up to the hotel rooms and see what they're all about. On one of my stays, I did the Stay Well floor at the MGM. Several features of the Stay Well room include, probably most importantly, air purification and a bunch of other stuff. There's some stuff in the shower. There's a different mattress. There's, dawn alarm clock stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff. If you're really interested, you can look at the QR code there. The furnishing in the room are pretty standard. First time was a king bed with a desk and a couple chairs. Room does not have a fridge, but it does have a mini bar. And I still forgot to check prices on that. Based on my travel experience, expect a lot for the mini bar. Refrigerators are available to rent for $35 a day, I believe. Seems pretty steep. In-room safe for all your cash and goods. Shower tub combo. Large closet. The second time I had two queen beds, essentially the same furnishings with the mini bar. This room did have a much better view. But like the first one, looks like a pretty standard in-room safe. Almost identical bathroom. Shower tub combo. Really good shower, by the way. And this room had a good view of the Strip. If you're looking for something to eat, you can stop by Iron Chef Morimoto's. Tom Colicchio's Craft Steak. I've eaten here a couple different times. Here's a peek at the menu for you. If you've watched my channel, you know I like steaks. In the common areas of the hotel, a couple different Starbucks, and the Avenue Cafe is your Denny's equivalent. Ate here for breakfast multiple times. There's my gluten-free toast, which is very good. My son, pancakes and bacon. My favorite breakfast, however, was at Wolfgang Puck's. They have some of the best breakfast sausage that I've ever had. Also on site, a noodle bar. Being gluten-free, I can't really do that. Nor can I do the New York pizza. My son did love this. Looks really good, at least. And Johnny Rockets is a burger place. They were nice enough to make me a protein-style burger. So there's your gluten-free burger. Shopping in the common areas. And like lots of Las Vegas hotels, the various attractions, MGM has the Hunger Games experience. But the highlight for me is the Lazy River Pool Complex. This is one of my favorites. If you want real sand, you should go to the Mandalay Bay. If you don't want the sand, but just want the pool and lazy river, the MGM is a good alternative. can rent yourself a cabana or a daybed next to the lazy river. Plenty of waitstaff keep you hydrated and or drunk, but lots of sun in Vegas. And if you're looking to get around Vegas and don't want to take a taxi, the Uber is available through the underground. Takes you out to the parking garage. If you're looking to stay at the MGM and have a question, please post that below. I'm happy to respond. If you enjoyed what I did today, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and the reminder bell. That way you'll be kept up to date on all my future videos. Thanks again, and happy travels, everyone.